I'm not sure I want a divorce. Should I talk to a lawyer anyway? Hi, I'm Bill Farias, founder of Farias Family Law. This is a very common issue where people start to experience their relationship deteriorating and they're not sure whether it's going to work out. They don't want to rush to go get advice because they're hoping that it's going to work and turn around. But on the other hand, they don't want to wait too long to compromise themselves. So when is the right time to talk to an attorney? And what I would suggest is that you have to think about where you fall on the risk spectrum. And what I mean by that is there are circumstances that are very low risk. If you're in a very short-term marriage, there aren't a lot of assets, especially accumulated during the marriage. There isn't a big disparity in income. There are no children. That's a very low risk case, right? So if you don't go out and educate yourself and start to prepare, the odds are very low that anything is going to go wrong, especially anything that's going to compromise you long term. However, if you are in a long-term marriage and you have substantial assets, a significant disparity in income, children, any combination of those things, you are in the higher risk category, right? And so the more you move away from very short-term marriage, no kids, not much in assets, no real disparity in income, the farther you move away from that toward a longer marriage with more assets, disparity in income, children, the higher risk you are, and the more sense it makes to talk to someone sooner rather than later. You have to remember that, first of all, consultations are confidential. So it will not be and should not ever be disclosed that you consulted with an attorney, that you went to an attorney for advice and education. So that's number one, is that you're really not sacrificing anything other than the time, and if there's an expense for the consultation and assessment, paying that. But that's a very small amount to pay and sacrifice relative to what's at stake in some of these cases. You're talking about hundreds of thousands, sometimes millions of dollars, time with your children. So when you're thinking about when you should go talk to an attorney, you want to think about where you are on that risk spectrum. And if you are not sure and you are in a gray area and you are thinking maybe this is higher risk, then you should assume it is higher risk and just go out and get the education and advice. If you have any other questions about this, you can call us at 508-675-0464. You can email us at info@fariasfamilylaw.com. If you found this video helpful, you can subscribe to our channel, share it with anyone you think might benefit from it, and you can also find us on social at Farias Family Law. Thank you. Have a good day.